Sunshine. So today we're going to be trying out the August Birchbox, and I'm really excited to get into this for several reasons. So the first reason I'm excited to get into it, as always, is the packaging on this box is super duper cute, and literally in my small childlike brain, I'm like, oh my gosh, if the packaging is amazing, that means amazing things are going to be inside the box. So this definitely has already won me over because I love like the sunset kind of like end of summer vibes with like the sunset, and then it kind of reminds me of the mountains with all of the wavy, different color waves. Second of all, I'm excited to retry Birchbox. This is not my first time ever trying Birchbox. Technically, this is my second ever Birchbox, but the first time that I ordered Birchbox, I received a product in there that had completely shattered. It was an eyeshadow or a highlight or something like that, and inside, literally, like the box was just, I opened up the box and it was covered in dust from the eyeshadow, and it got in some of the other products. So since I wasn't on YouTube at the time, and I really was still like, I was young and I'm still getting into subscription boxes, I was like, I was mad, so I canceled the box. But now that I've been trying out more subscription boxes, I was like, why not give Birchbox another try? Because companies change all the time. So I'm really excited to see what's inside of this Birchbox. I'm really, really excited, and I really hope that it's comparable to either Ipsy or Sephora Play, or maybe even better than both of those boxes. So for those of you who do not know, Birchbox is $10 a month, and in every box you get 4 to 5 samples, depending. I don't know if it's gonna be like makeup, I don't know if it's gonna be skincare, like I don't really know how they go about like picking out the items in the box. And for the life of me, my memory sucks so incredibly much. I also can't remember if you fill out a beauty profile, but I do know that people compare Ipsy and Birchbox like hardcore. Like you're either team Ipsy or you're team Birchbox. So with that said, I'm really excited to see if Birchbox is anything like Ipsy or if it's maybe even better. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pull off the lid to my Birchbox, and we're just gonna dive right in. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Welcome Birchbox. Also, pause. I'm also mad at myself because I literally ordered this Birchbox, and then like a week later I was on Facebook and it was like, use code, I don't know, like use this code, and I would have gotten like a MAC lipstick in my box. So I'm really mad that my timing was off. But with the rest of that said, it says fill out your beautiful okay, so there is a beauty profile. I filled mine out because I always do those things. Like I always try and follow the rules as closely as I possibly can. So that's probably how they go about picking things for your box. So fill out your beauty profile, shop your faves, get 10% back, earn $5 for 5 reviews. That's very interesting. Ipsy, I don't think has anything like that. You'll receive 50 loyalty points when you you'll receive 50 loyalty points when you review your first 5 samples, like the ones in this box. So does that mean for every box that, so like let's say I reviewed all 5 items in this box, does that mean that I earn $5 with every box? So then kind of like I'm earning $5, but I'm spending like, do you know what I mean? Like, okay, so you earn $5 with every box. The box only costs $10. So does that mean that you can like use that $5 towards the cost of the box? So really you're only having $5 being taken out of your bank account? That's very interesting. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and pull out is this. Oh, I'm really excited because I am in love with this brand so much. I'm almost out of the bottle of spray that I got from them like last week. It has literally become a staple in my hairstyling, even though I'm not that good at it. This is the Ouai Wave Spray. Oh my gosh, so it's a sea salt spray. It's a fun like apple juice yellow. Okay, let's spray it and see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like I was gonna say men's cologne, but I don't know if it's really men's cologne. It definitely has like that musky cologne scent, but like my mom wears white musk and I used to wear white musk. So it's a little strong with a couple of sprays, but I mean like, I'm really excited to see if it does anything to my dry hair. A weightless texture mist for effortlessly chic undone hair, sodium chloride free, and that's all it says. It doesn't say anything about using dry or on wet hair. So, but I do like the smell of it. I can't wait to see what else this brand has. Like I'm gonna go online and like, oh, look at my hair turning into something chic and not just a rat's nest. Look how, oh my God, look how cute this side is. Look. It is so pretty. I literally am so excited about this brand. I really hope that they're affordable. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, they're not really affordable. Okay, so this is the, I don't know if it's Ouai or Y or, okay. So, sorry if my pronunciation skills suck, which they do. This is the Wave Spray. Full size is $26. Get effortlessly tasseled waves with this weightless texturizing mist that's formulated sans salt. Spritz onto damp or dry strands. I don't know. I really, really love it. Both of the products that I've used from this brand have like changed my life. So in my opinion, I know it's not affordable, but I think it's worth it. The next thing that I'm pulling out is, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try not to scream too much because I'm literally so excited. This is the Black Mascara, wait, well, I don't know why I said that first, but it's Black Mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Okay, story. One time, I just dropped it. Okay, story time. I used to have a friend who, her and I would like buy makeup off each other all the time. Like I'd be like, oh, I have this that I haven't used, like, do you want to buy it? And we would both sanitize it and everything like that. Well, it turns out I found out that she would sell me knockoff makeup, and I had bought a roller lash, like full-size mascara off of her, and like I liked it, and it turns out that the entire time I was using like a knockoff that like came from not Benefit. So I'm really excited to actually like try out an authentic roller lash. I know that this is like one of the most talked about mascaras, almost as much as the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It says 97% said it visibly lifts lashes, 87% said it gives long-lasting curl, and 94% said eyes look more wide open. So far, out of the two things that I pulled out, I have received one makeup product, and this is also from a very, very well-known brand. So, okay, we're not off to a bad start at all with Birchbox. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this tube, and it says Balance Me Natural Skincare Congested Skin Serum. Oh, it's a holy grail. I need this. Okay, so what is it supposed to do for me? An on-the-spot smoothing gel designed to diminish blemishes and calm irritation without causing dryness. Smooth a small amount of gel directly onto spots, blemishes, and all over skin prone to breakouts. Yes, thank you, Birchbox, for actually sending me a skincare item that I need. Like, I have greasy skin, I have oily skin. Girl, my stress levels have been through the roof. I'm really surprised that I have not had a heart attack yet, so I am breaking out so badly. I'm having a lot of problems with cystic acne. I'm having a lot of problems with blackheads. Like, it's a hot mess on my face right now. So the fact that I have this and not like a moisturizer or another face cleanser that I don't necessarily need, I have this spot treatment. So it says 99% natural. Birchbox so far has absolutely wowed me. I'm actually really, really impressed with everything so far. We still have 2 more items to go. So wait, actually pause. I'm going to read to you what the back of the card says. So it says that this Balance Me Congested Skin Serum full size is $23. This calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment banishes blemishes, refines pores, and balancing skin without drying it out. Plus, it smells amazing. Now we have to smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells like lemon and cotton candy at the same time. Okay, actually, scratch that. It just smells like lemon. I don't know. I don't even know where I got the cotton candy from, but it smells like lemon and bright. And then it says for the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. Full size is $24. This mascara's brush is made with tiny soft hooks that instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. Wiggle the wand from base to tip and then curl up for extra. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this tube. This is the Malin and Goats Grapefruit Face Cleanser. So it says 0.3% grapefruit extract. What will this do for me? Our foaming cleansing gel synthesizes natural grapefruit extract with amino acid-based cleansing agents. Unlike traditionally harsh detergents that can be drying, stripping, and irritating, this formula gently and thoroughly purifies and hydrates to pH balance all skin types, especially sensitive. So this is going to balance my pH. Grapefruit cleanser, I mean, I've never tried it before. On the back of this card, it says grapefruit face cleanser, full size, $36. The amino acid based cleanser is made up with naturally antibacterial grapefruit to prevent blemishes, while hydrating glycerin and sodium PCA soften the skin. My problem again is acne, so this is going to help prevent my breakouts, and then I have the spot treatment to help take care of like breakouts that I am having. Wow, I feel like kind of mad that I haven't signed up for them, because if this is like actually like how most of their boxes are, they really just help like boost my skincare routine. So That is not bad at all. We still do have one more item, so let's see what it is. The last thing that I'm pulling out is this cute little pink tube. It says Mana Carta Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain in Mana Babe. So this is the tube size. It's about the size of my thumb. Again, remember, I have really small hands. Like, my hands are below the average sizing. So, I mean, this definitely is like a smaller lip product tube. It is 1.5 milliliters or 0.052 fluid ounces. So this is what the color looks like. And let's see what it's gonna look like on the back of her hand. Also, I wanna know if it's gonna pass her smell test. It doesn't really smell like anything special. It kind of reminds me of like walking into like AC Moore's or a craft store. So it says priming lip gloss stain. What did it say? Priming gloss stain. So it's glossy. Is it gonna stain my hand? That's concerning. I wish I had thought about that more. I wanna know though. It says Mana Cadar Cosmetics Lip Lock Stain Mana Babe. Full size is $24. Have your full lip routine covered with this primer, lip stain, and gloss hybrid that ensures your lips stay hydrated and smooth all day with a long-lasting magenta hue. So here's everything that I got in my August Birchbox. So I got this Balance Me Congested Skin Serum Spot Treatment. I got this Ouai Wave Spray, so a sea salt spray. I got this Malin Goats Grapefruit Cleanser. I got this Mana Carta Lip Gloss Stain Primer Gloss and the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. So I got 2 makeup products, I got 2 skincare products, and I got a hair care. Okay, I have so many things to say. So first of all, first and foremost, I'm very impressed with how well balanced this box is. This is something that I talk about a lot with other subscription boxes, is I really hate it when like Sephora Play, for example, will send me 4 freaking different like skincare, like moisturizers and face scrubs and masks, and that's not really stuff that I'm interested or like want to play around with. And then they'll send me like a blush and call in the day. No, this I got like, first of all, I struggle with acne, so I feel like this box was more customized towards my personal needs. So I got something that's gonna help prevent breakouts. Then I got something that's gonna help like spot treatment. I got a mascara, I got a lip gloss, lip stain, something that I've never really heard of, like having all 3 combined into one. Like it has primer, lip gloss, and lip stain. And then I also got this hairspray, like a sea salt spray, that from a brand that I'm familiar with, but it's a sea salt spray, and I do feel like I'm always looking for texture and I'm always looking for added volume to my hair. I already got the volume spray from another box. I can't remember what box it was, but I mean like the sea salt spray, I really do feel like it, like this side you can definitely see better. So I definitely feel like it did add some texture and it really made my hair look really, really pretty on this side. This side you can't see too well. This side of my face is never really functioning that great anyway. So not only do I feel like this box was well-rounded, I also have a product from actually 2 products from brands that I'm familiar with. Then I got to try out something that I've never really tried before, such as the lip gloss, primer, stain, all wrapped into one. So not only do I feel like this box was well-rounded, I feel like I got to try out things from new brands that I've never heard of, and even try out a product that I've never even heard of before. So that is it for my August Birchbox unboxing, and I'm so mad at myself for not signing up earlier. Not only do I feel like this box was really well balanced out, I feel like it was customized to me. Like I feel like it really was a great box to start off with. This was a great first impression, and it made me really excited, and I really, really hope that this amazing consistency keeps up in their other boxes, but that we will have to wait and see to find out if they're gonna do that. So I'm so excited to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. What did you think of my very first August Birchbox box? Do you think it's better than this month's Ipsy? Do you feel like it's better than this month's Sephora Play? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.